To create a blog in Canva, start by opening the Canva website and clicking on the template option. Use the search bar to find a suitable template for your blog, and select one that you like. Once you've chosen a template, click on the Use this template option, which will redirect you to a new Canva page where the template will be opened. This template will serve as the basis for your website or blog. To add a blog post, select the page where you want to add the post. Then click on the Add Page button to create a blank page. Enter the details of your blog post, including images, title, and content. You can find images to add to your post. Then drag and adjust them as needed. To add the blog title and content, copy the title and post content. Then go back to Canva and add a heading with the title. Adjust the size and font of the title as desired. Next, copy the content of the post and add it to Canva, adjusting the size of the text as needed. You can also add a Read More text option, making the text bold if desired. To publish the blog post, use Google Sites. Open sites.google.com. Click on the plus icon at the bottom, and enter the name of your website and the title of your blog post. Copy the entire blog post and paste it into the Google Sites text box. Then click on the Publish button. Enter a web address for your Google site, or use the title of your blog post, and click on Publish. Copy the link to your blog post. Then go back to your website and link the Read More text to the blog post. Once your blog post is ready, click on the Publish Website option and enter the URL of your website. Wait for Canva to prepare the design, and your website will be ready. You can visit your website by clicking on the provided button, and users can read your blog post by clicking on the Read More button, which will redirect them to Google Sites.